Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro. Today we're gonna be working on this TL1000R Suzuki. I call it Green Monster. Today we're gonna be showing you how to get to the fuel filter or the fuel gasket, or if you have to change the fuel filter or the fuel gasket. Today we're gonna show you how to get to it. All right, y'all, let's jump right in and get to it. And bring y'all up here a little closer so you see what I'm doing. Let's see, can y'all see this? Let's get y'all off this stand a minute. Okay, y'all can see this right here. You get this is where you remove the seat. It's an Allen wrench and it's a screw right there. Well, I done pretty much undone the screw. So you take that screw out. It's one like this on the other side also. So it's two of them. It's two screws like this right here, and they're Allen wrenches. And after you remove them two, the seat pulls right up like this. Let's throw this over here out the way. The next thing we're gonna be removing, I want to remove my hump. So I just unlock it with the key and that comes right off also. Okay, you guys. Next thing I want to do, let me put y'all back on the tripod. I probably need both my hands. Okay, we're down in here now. So what I want to do is show you guys this. You got two bolts right here. See these two bolts? What I want to do, I'm gonna loosen one of them. I done pretty much loosened it already. I'm gonna take it out. Hold on, you guys. And then up here, see these two screws here? These two screws. Let me get my light right. Them two screws right here. You want to take them two out. Like I say, I pretty much done loosened everything up. I'm just showing you the process. And this whole thing comes out. It's two screws. Throw that to the side. Then from here, I want to lift my tank up. I want to lift my tank. Then move the light back out the way. I want to lift my tank carefully. Okay, my tank is lifted. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that one screw, that screw I took out down there, I'm going to put it back in for the time being. I'm going to put this screw back in. Okay, that screws in. That's to help support it. Let's bring y'all guys to the inside. This line here will be here. You take some pliers and you squeeze this clip together and pull that right off. This one here, it's got these two clips. You squeeze them together like that there, and it releases that clip. And that is your gas lines. And then we got this electrical line here. You got a pin in the back side that you squeeze. They bring you around here. This clip right here, you squeeze it on top and it releases. See right there how you squeeze it? You just squeeze that like that when it's inside the other one, the other side. This one here, the same way. You squeeze this clip. Squeeze that little clip right here. The little clip right there. Squeeze that little clip right here in the middle. Right there in the middle. And it releases. Okay. Now what we're going to do, since we got all that loose, we're going to take these two screws out right here. The ones I put back in, because we got everything loosened now. So we're going to take these out. Take both of them out. They're a 1/2-inch screws. And then we're going to lift our tank. And it comes right off. Okay, this is what we got now. Let's lift you guys back up. Get a better view, a better angle. Okay. This is your fuel pump. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I got everything pretty much already loosened. So you're going to take 8 screws out. And try not to drop them like I just did, but I got it. Take these 8 screws out. This one here, make sure when you put it back, it's got this little metal bent thing right here. Make sure you put the screw through it and screw it back in the hole. That's to hold the wire supported. That's to support the wire. Okay. Take your screws, put them somewhere where you won't lose them. And right here's your fuel pump. Oh, it won't be a little bit aggravating coming out, but just keep working with it. It's got this rubber boot right here on the inside. Just keep working with it and it'll come out. Just keep on working with it a little bit at a time. See how that little rubber boot is folded in there? And right here you go. That's your fuel pump. That's your fuel pump. And this is your fuel pump gasket. Let's get it back down on here like it's supposed to be. Yeah, sometimes it can be a little stubborn, but you just work with it and get it all straightened back out like that right there. And that's the gasket right there. I say it's a little stubborn, but just keep working with it a little bit at a time, And that's what we want right there. And then this gasket, you slide right down over it, just like that right there. And that's your gasket. That's your fuel pump gasket. The fuel pump, and that's your gasket. And lay that somewhere. And that's what you want to replace. And when you put it back together, make sure this, see how this edge right here, it's got a lip on it. And this side don't. That lip goes down in the tank. It goes down on the tank like that right there. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this video. You can see she all tore down. I got my gasket on order. If you would like to see how I put it back together, leave a comment down below. And like I always say, what we all want to do, we want to get back home safely. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next YouTube video. God bless you, and have a blessed day. And keep your wheels on the road.